Good afternoon, lovely people. So we're getting sidetracked. I just wanted to square up this block, but now it's getting drilled out. So I find this is one of the hardest things as a beginning knife maker to wrap your head around, is to get a perfectly straight or in all dimensions. So you don't have a handle and knife that goes like this or this, if you understand what I mean. So what I find works the best is I have this higher up piece here that I draw lines against. So what this gives me, first of all, yeah, that. Then I set it down, draw my lines like this. So I have everywhere I have reference lines that are truly square. This one is struggling to show up. I might have to mark it out with pencil, but it's okay for now. And then here I mark the one out with pencil so you can see. So what I want, sorry. Then also the top part of my handle, I did a bunch of layout lines. Ignore the skew one that's running through the middle. Everything's going to look skewed now because the fact that these lines are perfectly square. So in reference, you can see this corner isn't right. Pull just out a little bit here. It's going to be fine. So that little square in the middle there, in the middle of that square, I'm going to drill out. Along with that and the reference lines I have, if I keep my eye on this line and this line, making sure they always stay in line with the drill bit, it should theoretically be straight up and down. Theoretically. Have a good one. Peace be with you.